Welcome to Cisco Made Easy, and today we're going over the IP CEF and Adjacency table. We're going to go into global configuration and type in IP CEF to enable it globally. Now, what we can do is check the interface to make sure that it is enabled. I went ahead and disabled it to show you what it looks like. We're now going to go into the interface, show IP interface on S0/0, and we will see that IP CEF is disabled. As you can see here, I'll highlight it, and it's disabled. Now we want to re-enable that for this exercise. Go back into Config T, IP CEF, and if we wanted to just go into the interface, enable only that interface, go into the interface and type in IP route cache with the keyword CEF. Now, let's go back in and check to make sure that it is enabled. Do a show IP interface once again on S0/0/0 in this case. And we'll scroll down and make sure that IP CEF is indeed enabled. So now we want to take a look at the FIB or the CEF table, and we do that by show IP CEF. As you can see here from the output on the left hand side, we have the network prefix, we have our next hop, and we have the egress interface. The first thing under next hop is drop, and basically any default routes or multicast will be dropped. The next thing we see is the received keyword. That means that network is actually on our router. It's configured on our router. It lives locally there. The next thing we'll see is attached. That's a directly attached network to another router and the interface that it knows it from. The next will be the IP address. This is the next hop for any prefixes that we see here on the left. And then we'll see the egress on the right hand side. Now to see the layer 2 information on the egress interface, we will do a show adjacency detail to get the layer 2 information from this interface. We'll do that by doing the show adjacency detail here. And here you can see both serial interfaces I have in the lab. They are point-to-points. If they were Ethernet, you would see more information here. I'm using PPP, but in Ethernet it would show an encapsulation type, show your MAC layer headers and your MAC addresses.